Hello everyone, we're going to start with question number 24 today. So in this question we have been given let y equals to y function x. So be the solution of the differential equation sin x dy by dx plus y cos c equals to 4x, where x belongs to 0 to pi. We have been given the limits. If y pi by 2 equals to 0, then y by pi by 6 is equal to. We have to find y pi by 6. So when we put x value pi by 2, we have the answer 0 when we put it in the equation. So we will simplify it from there. As we know, dy by dx plus y cot x equals to 4x upon sin x. This is the formula for solving this equation. So if integral factor equals to e to the power integral of cot x dx equals to e to the power log mod sin x. This is the integral factor for solving this equation, and equals to sin x, where x equals to 0 to pi. We'll use both of the equations to simplify this equation. So y sin x equals to c differential of 4x dx, c plus 2x square. As we know that y pi by 2 equals to 0, then here we will apply it and we have 0 into pi by 2, sin pi by 2 equals to c plus 2 into pi by 2 whole square. So we will have that c is equal to minus pi square by 2. So y sin x equals to 2x square minus pi square by 2. And this we will put x equals to pi by 6, and after putting the value we will have y sin pi by 6 equals to 2 into pi by 6 whole square minus pi square by 2. After further simplification we will have y half equals to pi square by 18 minus pi square by 2. Taking the LCM and further simplifying, we will have the final answer, which is minus 8 pi square by 9, and we will take pi square common. We will have 8 minus 8 by 9 pi square, which is our option A. Thank you.